Hello, Connie Nichol here today with Creative Scrapbooker Magazine, and I'll just show you how to put together this pie chart layout with Echo Park paper, Impression Obsession stamps, and some glue dots. So to begin with, we have to create the pie chart, and what I do is I trace a circular object in my house that's the right size, and then I just use a ruler and a pencil and I cut it into these little wedges to trace onto the pattern paper. So for the 12 by 12 layout, I rattled through my kitchen cupboards and I found a plate. For a smaller circle, such as this card, which uses the exact same idea, I had this little plastic bowl from IKEA. So just put it on your cardstock and grab a pencil. Then just eyeball the middle. It doesn't have to be exact. And then just cut out. Cut out one of your wedges to use as a template. So I've used this pattern paper from Echo Park. It's called Teen Spirit Boy Collection. So it's really bright colors, lots of very vivid patterns. And so I find it really lends itself well to this kind of pie chart idea because you've got a little bit of bright color. You can use your pie chart templates also on your photos to kind of wedge them in. So just trace your little pie template, cut it out with scissors, and continue to do this with different patterns of paper until you have a configuration that you like. I've cut out a number of these pie-shaped wedges from different colors of pattern paper, and then I'm going to stick them all down with the tape runner from the glue dots. So once you have all the pieces adheres to your circle, then you can do your stamping. So for this project, I've used Impression Obsession clear stamps. This is a particularly cool one because it's got a great big "this," and then you can add whatever you want. So this is my happy place, this is us, this is awesome. So you can customize your card or your scrapbook layout. And I've used Ranger archival ink. So you can stamp this and then trim it out, and then stamp your sub-sentiment, is a big deal, is it, whatever, and then mount it onto your card. So to frame this card, I have just taken some black fine liners from Kelly Creates and a ruler and traced it around the edge. You could also use these black fine liners to doodle and make different kinds of marks in your "this" because there's so much room there for putting lines and dots and stars and decorating it up and customizing it however you want. So I've done "this is awesome." I've stitched around the edge, but you could also use a black pen and just frame the circle a little bit. So these wooden note embellishments are from MultiCraft. They're a wood veneer, and then you can customize them with paint, ink. I colored them up using embossing ink and a colored embossing powder. Just dab your wood onto the embossing ink and coat it with the powder, and it adds kind of a beautiful textured colored finish. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow our channel on YouTube.